And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with more details on the killing of a 23-year-old man at a burial in Dovecot, St. Catherine on Monday.
The victim, Isaac Foster, was shot and killed by a licensed firearm holder after he disrupted the burial.
Now, some people have claimed that Foster was mentally ill, but as Kalisha Williams reports, residents in his community say he had no history of a mental illness.
And we must warn you that some viewers may find elements of this story upsetting.
Officer, shot the man! No, policeman, no,
Mourners frantic, police officers seemingly unable to settle the group.
Yo, police!
This is the moment when the calm was disrupted at the funeral service for an 84-year-old woman at the Dovecot 2 burial ground in St. Catherine. It is not clear how or why this man, 23-year-old Isaac Foster, entered the proceedings, but he is said to be of unsound mind. However, onlookers recalled hearing him shout, "She can't bury here," as he proceeded to open the coffin and remove the body. As the crowd and the police attempted to calm Foster, we were told things escalated and he started to throw stones at the mourners. In response, one of them, a licensed firearm holder, shot him. Foster was later pronounced dead at hospital. However, the incident has left residents in Kitson Town, St. Catherine, where Foster lived, irate. They believe his death could have been prevented.
It could handle 100% better because to my fact, I seen the video, I never seen him with a knife. I never seen him with a cutlass. I never seen him with a gun. And the police was close beside him. Okay? I appreciate that of the police because it wasn't the police, I understand, that shot him.
You could have taken a split second to react differently. Condolences to the bereaved, but no, we are being bereaved also. So you could have think and reflect on something. Wow, what happened to this youth? Have you ever seen a mad person in a graveyard before?
Which brings us to who Isaac Foster was. His friends and associates say he has been living in the community for some time now. In fact, we were told he was making plans to build a house in the community. It is why people are rejecting claims that he was mentally ill.
From the few years that I know him, never seen no sign of that. No formal sign of that. From the time we know him. So him never, we are youth or now, I sit down and we reason and talk about future and them go thing there and work, as a friend that talk about.
Not going to blame the officers, but they could have pepper sprayed him or something. Somebody could have tackled him to the ground or something of the sort. But to kill a human being like that, regardless what had happened to him yesterday, we don't know.
However, in going further, counsel for the Red Hills Division, Michael Archer, said he was in the area working yesterday and saw Foster, who was acting out of control. He said he actually attempted to destroy a car wash before proceeding to Dovecot.
As he passed us and get a little way down the road, for the second time he stopped, turned back again, looking at us, still behaving in a very, very arrogant behavior. And I said to them, don't again say nothing to this man. And he passed and went on.
In the meantime, consultant psychiatrist Professor Wendell Abel says while he cannot clearly say whether the man has a mental illness, it is clear that things got out of control and people did not know how to de-escalate it.
What it highlights is that we need to develop better, firstly, state responses. We must have better responses to situations like this. I think police were on the scene, and I'm not going to blame them either because I was not in the situation, but it just highlights the need for police to be adequately trained to deal with situations that are out of control.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
In other news of the